This is Helen Love, expert accent at Cardiff Speech and Drama. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to say the sound This is the almost mid-central neutral vowel. It's slightly further down in the mouth, but it's very close to a schwa. So you don't do very much to make this sound. Your jaw drops a bit and your tongue moves slightly forward from the mid-central position and your lips stay in a very neutral shape. It's a long sound, a single monophthong, one vowel, not two sounds put together, but there is no movement. It's very long compared to its short, slightly different But a way that's quite easy to remember is that if you start with a schwa, you just lengthen this and you get a good approximation of an It does, however, move very slightly down and forward in your mouth. So if you start with a schwa, there is a very small amount of movement. This sound is spelt a number of different ways in English. You've got UR, as in fur, and you've got IR, as in girl. So I have got a furry, purry girl sitting on the chair having a wash behind me. My purry, furry girl is curled up on the chair.